Loading data from S3 to dask dataframe. I can load the data only if I change the anon parameter to true after making the file public. This is not recommended for obvious reasons. How do I load the data from S3 securely?
The backend which loads the data from S3 is sets, and it has a section on credentials here, which mostly points you to Boto3's documentation. The short answer is, there are a number of ways of providing S3 credentials, some of which are automatic, a file in the right place, or environment variables, which must be accessible to all workers, or cluster metadata service. Alternatively, you can provide your key/secret directly in the call, but that of course must mean that you trust your execution platform and communication between workers. The set of parameters you can pass in storage_options when using sets can be found in the API docs. General reference, this URL.
If you're within your virtual private cloud, VPC, S3 will likely already be credentialed and you can read the file in without a key. If you aren't credentialed, you can use the storage_options parameter and pass a key pair, key and secret. Full documentation from dask can be found here.
Dask under the hood uses Boto3, so you can pretty much set up your keys in all the ways Boto3 supports, e.g. role-based export, AWS_profile equals 4x, or explicitly exporting access key and secret via your environment variables. I would advise against hardcoding your keys lest you expose your code to the public by a mistake. Or this URL. For S3 you can use wildcard match to fetch multiple chunked files.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.